guys, this is the Kitchen Fairy with another baking video, which means another recipe video. And for today I baked hot cross buns, but they are not the regular hot cross buns because they're just like sweet buns that I gave some flour paste as the crust on top. They are filled half with lemon curd and half with chocolate. So check out the full video if you'd like to make them as well. They're pretty delicious and they're pretty soft. I'll see you soon. Bye! So this is 1 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of butter, and then we're gonna add 1 whole egg. 3 1/4 cup of flour, bread flour, quarter cup of sugar, and 2 teaspoons of salt, and 3 teaspoons of active dry yeast. And then choose number 9 for dough. And then just click start. I'll take out the dough from the bread pot because it beeped already. Divide this into maybe 10 if not 12 buns. Slice, so we're just gonna separate each of these and then gonna fill it up with the lemon curd. So, and then just bring all sides to the center and shape it into round and pinch to seal. Just like this, and put it upside down on your baking sheet. I'm gonna fill it with chocolate chips because my youngest doesn't like lemon. All filled, we're just gonna let it to rest for 45 to 1 hour until double in size. Now to make the paste, this is 1/2 cup of flour. You can use bread flour or all-purpose flour, and add 5 to 8 tablespoons of water. If all your buns are lemon, then use lemon juice, but give some lemon juice. But since mine is half lemon and half chocolate, I use just water. Just pour the flour paste into a Ziploc and snip the corner and start piping it on your bread or buns. So that the kid knows which is which, I'm just gonna sprinkle with a little cocoa powder for the chocolate filled one, so no accident. There we go. Now just preheat your oven to 350 and we're gonna bake them. So now we're gonna bake them for 20 minutes until golden brown. Take out the buns and just drop a little butter, or you can even brush it with butter if you like. But since it's still hot, it will melt by itself, so just drop them in the center. And your hot cross bun is ready. Just click in the cooling rack, obviously, on the cooling rack, or you can serve now, but it will be too hot.